I've been plowing these same fields for nearly 30 years, and ain't no great visions ever magically appeared. Just the sight of me standing here, alone with my regrets and all of my deep-seated fears. There's so much work to be done. Once the summer comes, the engine hums as the tractor runs. 7 days a week I'm out here in the sun, back in my familiar place, even though a new season has begun. It keeps the family fed. It's a dependable trade. It's the choice that I've made for the last 3 decades. I've been living the same exact day, never followed through on the things I say. Year by year my childhood dreams have faded further away, and now the sky is beginning to turn grey. Slowly my fields of wheat are turning into hay. All those conversations I've had with myself are becoming hearsay. This is the price that I pay for being too afraid. I let myself down, and now I feel betrayed. I've been plowing these same fields for nearly 30 years. Ain't no great vision ever magically appeared. Just the sight of me standing here, alone with my regrets and all of my deep-seated fears. Looking back, I think I've overextended my stay. I never merged onto the freeway. I never headed out onto the highway. My car just sat in the driveway.